Wearing glitter nail polish can be a sparkly, bold and exciting way to express your personal style. It's fun to wear on your nails, but when you try to take it off, it doesn't seem to want to go without putting up a fight. Luckily, you can successfully remove your glitter nail polish. In this video, we are going to tell you 3 best ways to remove glitter nail polish at home. Let's start quickly. Gather your supplies. Get some nail polish remover, a cotton ball, and aluminium foil. If you don't have aluminium foil, a rubber band or hair elastic will do the trick just as nicely. What you really want is something that will hold the cotton ball in place against your fingernail. Soak a cotton ball in acetone-based nail polish remover. Acetone is an extremely powerful solvent that can remove all types of nail polish. Use acetone-based remover in order to remove your glitter polish more effectively. While it's powerful, it's also harsh on your nails, so try to use it as infrequently as possible. Tear 10 strips of aluminium foil. Tear off a couple sheets of foil and tear each sheet into several pieces. Each piece should be about as big as your palm and in the shape of a rectangle. You can also substitute the aluminium foil for 10 small rubber bands or hair elastics. Place the saturated cotton ball on your fingernail. Press the cotton ball saturated side down onto your nail. Wrap the foil around your finger. Put the aluminium foil strip over the top of your finger so that it's wider horizontally, and then wrap it firmly around your fingertip so that it won't fall off. Putting the foil on will help to keep the cotton ball in place. Fold down any aluminium that's extending past your nail. If you're using bands instead of foil, wrap a band around the cotton ball and your finger. If it is a large band, wrap it around multiple times until it is firmly against your finger so that the cotton ball won't fall off. Let the polish remover soak into the glitter. Let the polish sit for at least 5 minutes so that the remover can slowly loosen the glitter's grip on your nails. This will help you remove the polish later more effortlessly. If you are in a rush, sit in the sunlight while you let your nails soak. The heat will slightly speed up the process, allowing you to remove the foil and cotton balls in 3 to 5 minutes. Pinch the foil pieces off. While applying a bit of pressure, drag the foil-wrapped cotton balls across and off your nails in one swift movement. This should take most, if not all, of the glitter polish off of your nails. Saturate new cotton balls with nail polish remover. If there is still a bit of glitter polish on your nails at this point, heavily saturate a couple more cotton balls in an acetone-based nail polish remover. You can also use an exfoliating cotton makeup wipe. These wipes have ridges that make it possible to create more friction. Rub the cotton ball up and down your nails. Press down hard and rub your nails with the cotton ball wherever glitter polish remains. If one side of your cotton ball gets covered in glitter, flip to the other side and continue to scrub. Repeat this process for each nail, throwing away used cotton balls and soaking new ones as you go. Soak your fingertips in a ball of non-acetone remover. If at this point some of your glitter polish still won't come off, fill a small ball that you can fit 5 fingers in at once with about 2 inches of non-acetone remover. Submerge all 5 fingertips on one of your hands in the liquid and keep them there for 2 minutes. Remove your fingers and try using a cotton ball to rub off remaining polish. If you still are not having any luck, submerge your fingertips for another 30 seconds. Repeat this process on your other hand. Clean out an old nail polish bottle. Before you put on glitter polish, track down an old empty bottle of nail polish. Fill the bottle with nail polish remover and swirl it around. And then rinse it out thoroughly with hot water until it's clean. Fill the bottle with a mixture of glue and water. Once it's clean, Fill the empty bottle up about 1/3 of the way with liquid school glue such as Elmer's. Add a little water to the glue and shake it up so that it's spreadable. Apply the mixture to your nails before putting your glitter polish on. Apply your glue-based coat just like you would apply a regular base coat. Make sure you wait a solid 5 minutes for the glue to dry completely before you put your glitter polish on. If the mixture looks particularly streaky while you are applying it, you may need to add a little more glue, shake up the bottle and try to apply it again. Regular showering and hand washing may break the glue down quickly. Use less glue in your mixture if you want your polish to stay on longer. Peel or scrap the polish off once it's time to remove it. Days later, when you are ready to remove your polish, you should be able to by simply peeling it off. If this doesn't work, try scraping it off with a wooden nail stick. This was all for now. Please share your reviews and experience in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.